Morning, boys and girls. Today you're going to be doing this sheet for PLC time. The first thing I would like you to do is look at the first equation. 3 plus 9 equals. I want you to draw a picture to show your work. So what I'd like you to do is you're going to draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3, and 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and find the total. I want you to then do 10 minus 4 and 10 plus 4. When you're done, put your hands on your head. Number 2. Miss Wright baked 12 cupcakes. She gave 6 cupcakes to her friends. How many cupcakes does Miss Wright have now? So first we're going to start with, how many did she start with? We know she started with 12 cupcakes. So we're going to draw 12 cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then what happened? What was our change? Our change was she gives 6 to her friends. So does she still have 6? No, so we're going to get rid of 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we know how many she has now. So now we're going to write our equation on these lines. So we know she started with 12. She got rid of 6. And now she has 6 left. Number 3. Bo has placed his number cards in order from least to greatest. He is missing 2 cards. Help him find the missing cards. So we're going to say 27, 32, something 40, something 47. So we're going to look, are the numbers going up or are they going down? Then we're going to see, does 31 fit here? If yes, give me a thumbs up. If no, give me a thumbs down. Does 41 fit here? Thumbs up or thumbs down? We're going to do the same for 35. Does 35 fit here? Does 46 fit here? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Does 19 fit here? Does 35 fit here? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Does 33 fit here? Does 39 fit here? Which one fit? Circle in the correct box. Number 4, write the missing numbers. So we're going to be skip counting by 5s. 55. What number goes here? Right, 60. 65. What comes next? 70. 75. 80. Keep going. All right, let's look at the next one. We're going to be looking at the number 99, something 97. Are we going up or down? So we're going to count backwards. We're going to go 99, 90, 97. So it's going to be 98, 96, 95, 94. Rebecca has 44 candy bars to give her friends. Mark the answer that shows how many she has. Each one of these stacks is a group of 10. So I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. If you think that's the answer, fill in the square. If not, leave it blank. Let's check the next one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If you think that's the answer, fill it in. If not, leave it blank. Let's check the next one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. If you think that's the answer, fill it in. Let's check the last one. 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. I made an oops up here. This should be a 5. All right, figure out which one is 44 and fill in the answer. Number 6, fill in the table below. So we know in expanded form our number is 100 plus 10 plus 5. So if I was going to put that in number form, another word for that is standard form. I know there'd be 100 in a 1 in the hundreds place, a 1 in the tens place, 5 in the ones place. In word form, I'd write the word 105. And in picture form, I would draw a 100, a 10, and 5 ones. Number 7, how many 10s and 1s are below? Try and solve it. When you're done, give us a thumbs up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There's 5 10s, 0 1s, with a value of 50. What number do the blocks represent? Try and solve it. When you're done, put your hands on your head. What number do the blocks represent? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. They represent 26.